Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
AI accelerates creative writing by generating ideas and reducing repetitive tasks. Use AI to brainstorm 50 ideas quickly and overcome writer's block. Treat AI as a collaborator that suggests scenes, characters, and twists. Follow a simple 3-step workflow for planning, drafting, and editing with AI assistance. Keep control by guiding tone, genre, and voice through clear prompts. Use AI to produce a 1,000-word draft faster, while you refine structure and style manually. Begin prompts with a clear role such as URI novelist for focus. Provide context, setting, and a character goal in one concise paragraph. Add constraints like 300 words, present tense, and 25% descriptive detail to control output. Ask for 3 variations when exploring different tones or perspectives. Iterate through 3 revisions. Expand scenes, vary language, then polish dialogue and rhythm. Save prompt templates for recurring tasks to save time and improve consistency across drafts. Treat AI-generated text as a draft that requires careful editing and fact-checking. Revise outputs to match your original voice and to correct any factual errors. Avoid copying copyrighted text and use AI to inspire rather than to reproduce existing works. Disclose AI assistance when required by platform rules or contracts to maintain transparency. Use AI to generate 5 draft options, then select and refine the best one. Credit human collaborators and maintain ethical standards throughout the writing process.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.